Having trouble seeing your grid usage in the Tesla app? You're not alone. This commonly stems from issues with your current transformers, utility meter configuration, or even occasional software glitches. We'll guide you through the fixes. As of late 2025, Tesla has been actively updating its energy software to address these issues. Current transformers, or CTs, are sensors that clamp around your utility wires to measure current flow. They're crucial for determining how much energy you're pulling from or sending back to the grid. CTs work by measuring bidirectional current flow and outputting a proportional voltage signal for accurate monitoring. If CTs are improperly placed, like on the wrong wire or with reversed polarity, your app will show zero or incorrect grid usage. A CT reset, disconnecting and reconnecting the CTs while the system is offline, can often resolve simple glitches. Always follow NEC guidelines for safe CT placement in your electrical service configurations to ensure accurate and safe monitoring. Your Tesla system communicates with your utility meter to get accurate grid data. This connection often uses protocols like Modbus or Zigbee. If your meter isn't correctly recognized by the Tesla system, the app might only rely on CT data, potentially missing key information. Make sure the correct meter model is selected in your Tesla app settings under Energy Utility Meter. The first troubleshooting step is to ensure your current transformers, or CTs, are securely clamped around the correct wires. These should be placed on the main utility line, typically the service drop wires or at the meter base. Loose or incorrect clamping can prevent the Tesla system from detecting grid usage accurately. Next, verify the orientation of the arrows on your CTs. The arrows should point towards the load, meaning towards your house or the direction where electricity is being consumed. This arrow indicates the direction of current flow and is crucial for accurate grid usage calculations. Third, carefully verify the polarity of your CT connections. Polarity refers to the correct orientation of the CT wires in the connector. If the polarity is reversed, it can cause the Tesla system to display incorrect grid usage readings, showing import when you should be exporting or vice versa. Finally, utilize the Tesla diagnostic tool specifically designed to check CT polarity and overall utility meter configuration. Open the Tesla app and navigate to Settings, then Energy, then Utility Meter. From there, you can run the diagnostic test, which will verify your CT connections and help identify any remaining issues with grid usage display. To configure your utility meter in the Tesla app, start by opening the app and navigating to Settings, then Energy, and finally Utility Meter. In the Utility Meter section, you'll see options to select your utility meter model and communication protocol. Choose the correct model that matches your utility provider, such as PG&E Interval or Duke Energy. Selecting the wrong option can prevent grid usage data from displaying. After selecting the correct meter, run a system test within the app. This calibrates the current transformers and meter readings to ensure accurate data display. Remember, an incorrect meter selection can lead to inaccurate or missing grid usage data in the app. Always verify your choices before proceeding. Your grid usage is calculated using this key formula. Grid power equals total load minus solar generation minus battery discharge. This shows how much electricity you're drawing from or sending to the grid. Each component represents a different part of your energy system. Total load is your household's electricity consumption. Solar generation comes from your panels, and battery discharge is power drawn from your Powerwall. If any of these inputs are incorrect due to issues with current transformers or utility meters, your grid usage display will be off. This can lead to blank screens or wrong readings in the Tesla app. To get accurate readings, ensure each component in the formula is working properly and reporting data correctly. This includes verifying CT placements and meter compatibility. A common issue occurs when utility companies swap out meters, causing a mismatch in the Tesla app. For instance, in California, a homeowner with a Tesla Powerwall 2 and solar panels reported zero grid usage after their PG&E meter was replaced. The problem was that the app's meter profile didn't match the new smart meter type. The fix involved updating the app's meter profile to PG&E interval and repositioning the current transformers from the inverter output to the utility side of the meter. This simple app reset took just 1 hour and restored accurate grid export tracking, saving the homeowner about $200 monthly in net metering credits. Another common scenario involves incorrect DIY installations of current transformers. In Texas, a user installed CTs on a three-phase system but got the polarity reversed, causing the app to display inverted grid flows. This meant import appeared as export and vice versa. The solution was to correct the CT polarity by flipping their orientation. Tesla forum experts advised verifying the phase wiring against Tesla's installation guide. This highlights the importance of professional installation to avoid damage, as 30% of DIY setups result in permanent issues, according to user surveys. A third scenario affects users globally after Tesla firmware updates. Following the 2025.1 update, many reported blank grid tabs in the app. While Tesla issued a patch, a temporary workaround was to factory reset the gateway. This case demonstrates how software can cause grid visibility issues, with 60% of reports resolving without hardware changes. It underscores the need for users to keep their systems updated and know basic troubleshooting steps. If you've tried the previous troubleshooting steps and your grid usage still isn't displaying correctly, it's time to contact Tesla support. They can provide in-depth diagnostics and dispatch a technician for on-site calibration or hardware inspection. Tesla support offers comprehensive diagnostics and can send a technician for on-site calibration or hardware inspection. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect power before adjusting current transformers to avoid electrical hazards. This completes the troubleshooting guide for Tesla grid usage issues.